चलो नारा हो So here is my one brother from Sudan.
Uganda.
Uganda. He is a Uganda brother. So he's here today.
Yes.
He want to tell us something about the 18 May. Please, why you are Ugandan national? Why you are celebrating 18 May?
Well, 18 May seems to be a great day.
Okay.
I myself am not Somalilander, but I'm in Somalia.
Okay.
So whatever makes the Somalilanders happy, have to join them because these guys are so good. The country is so hospitable. Hospitality is way to the roof. People are so good. So why not celebrate with them?
Very good.
So
very
it's a
good.
great time to be here.
Okay. Okay. So this is your second homeland.
Yes.
And you consider this one is your second homeland.
Exactly. It's like my home because everybody here is treating me nicely. And apparently everything is so good here.
They are the full YouTube channel. They are the mashallah. They have the YouTube channel. They are all from Uganda, and mashallah they are also celebrating 18 May. Thank you so much. Somaliland Day. They are also try to celebrate 18 May. So, right now I am in the street. There is a lot of people behind me. They have a same kind of uniform. You see here. And one of the brother. Okay. So he's my brother. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Good. Mashallah, you have such a beautiful flag in your hand. Mashallah. So they have a three color. This flag has a three color. Green, white, and red. So what does it mean for the green, red, and white?
This color is special color. Okay. This color is standing for peace. Okay. This is for prosperity. Okay. This is for peace, and this is for blood shedding.
Very good. The blood and shelling. Yeah. So mashallah, as a Muslim community, this flag have a La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. So it's such a beautiful flag. So my brother, he's with me. So can you tell me, tell me why you are celebrating 18 May?
Yes. 18 May is an important month or an important day for this country. We have a lot of we have made a lot of risks for this country. We got our recognition and our independence from North Somalia.
So this brother, he is saying simply, he's a Somalilander. They get their independence like 18 May 1991. There was a hard story. So they shed the blood of their ancestor. They did a lot of sacrifice for this country. Finally, they got their independence 18 May 1991. So this brother, he is demanding from all international community that this country have a peace, this country have a democracy, this country have a good justice system, this country have a own military, this country have a own currency. So brother, all the brother who is around me, they're demanding from international community to recognize the country. So they should have to be recognized this country as a Republic of Somaliland. So if I go to the street, if I ask from everybody is demanding, we need a recognition from international community. So that is the request from all the people, whoever, whatever, wherever, any country, any who have a peace, who have a democracy, they must have to be recognized from the international community. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Here, good afternoon, even good morning. So we have one group of Ugandan. So they are working here, and from last like 5-6 years, they are the group of YouTuber, and they was also part of 18 May, and they was also celebrating the 18 May. So we will, inshallah, interview then one of them. So now, my dear brother, how are you?
I'm good, brother.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
So you have been a famous YouTuber, and I have seen you a lot of vlog on the YouTubes,
Oh,
and
really?
you are trying to evaluate the culture, tradition, and civilization of the national people of the Hargeisa. So,
Exactly.
but this is a unique day
Yeah.
today. So, what the message you want to send all over the world, and what you want to say about Hargeisa, about the recognition point of view, and about the peace point of view, and about the other system point of view? What you want to say your message all over the world?
Well, me talking about Hargeisa, I would say not Hargeisa as the whole city, but let me talk about the people, because it's the people that make up Hargeisa. So the people are so hospitable, they are so warm and welcoming, and these people are so national. They have a spirit of national spirit. What I mean is that they love their country so much, and as you can see today, there's a lot of excitement. Everybody's out of their home just to come on the street and celebrate the National Day of Somaliland. So we are so very happy.
So the next thing that I want to ask you,
Yes, sir.
you are as a medical professional, you are working here.
Yes, sir.
So what you want to say all over the world, how about the Hargeisa safety and security?
Well, I should say Hargeisa is a very safe, peaceful country. As you can see, I've been in this country for about 2 years right now, and I've never gotten any security problem like any theft. If you rate it relatively to other African countries, it's relatively very safe and secure from thieves, thugs, killers, terrorists, and everything. So it's just a free and peaceful country.
You as a Ugandan, I as a Pakistani. So we spend all the day like in the street today,
Yes.
and we see a lot of good things, and they respect us.
Yes.
They respect us in the way they include us in the main rally. We go in front of president.
Yeah.
So we are also very thankful to all the Hargeisa authorities, government, management authorities, the people who manage all the event. We are very thankful to him. They establish and they manage this system in a good manner way, and they respect the other countries' nationality, and we are really thankful for all the management team and government of Somaliland. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
सो ये रहा जी हमारा पाकिस्तानी कम्युनिटी ऑफिस का पेनफ्लेट रहा। ये सामने हमारे वाइस प्रेसिडेंट खड़े हुए हैं, और उसके साथ है वाइस प्रेसिडेंट, और ये सारा माशाल्लाह हमारा जो कि हम इसके साथ जाएंगे। अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। अच्छा, अभी माशाल्लाह हम सारी जितनी भी पाकिस्तानी कम्युनिटी है यहाँ पे हम जमा हुए हैं, और यहाँ से हम लोगों ने जो इनकी मेन ऑपरेटिंग एरिया है वहाँ पे अपने देखे सब लोगों ने ये सफ़ेद ड्रेस पहने हुए हैं। जितने भी लोग हैं सब ने हमने सफ़ेद ड्रेस पहन के आए हैं, और यहाँ से हमारा मकसद ये है कि सफ़ेद ड्रेस पहन के इनका प्रेसिडेंट है, प्रेसिडेंट का एक एरिया है, उसके आगे से हम लोगों ने गुजरना है कम्युनिटी की सूरत। यहाँ पे आप देखिए पीछे फ्लैग्स हैं, एक पाकिस्तानी फ्लैग है, एक स्वाज़ीलैंड का फ्लैग है, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट, और ये सारे इंशाल्लाह हम मिल के, और यहाँ से जो है गैदरिंग की शक्ल पे, एक वेल ऑर्गेनाइज्ड ग्रुप की शक्ल पे हमने यहाँ जो है वो प्रेसिडेंट के जो है पोर्च के सामने से हमने गुजरना है। प्लीज़ आप हमारे साथ रहिएगा। शरीफ भाई, आपसे हमने पूछा था कि आप बताएं कि हमने 2-3 साल में जो मैसेज हमने भेजा है, क्या पाकिस्तानी गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से कोई रिस्पांस आया है? और इस बार सुनने में आया कि उन्होंने अपना एक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव भी पाकिस्तानी गवर्नमेंट ने यहाँ पे भेजा है, जो कि पूरी सिचुएशन को असेस करेगा और उसके बाद मैसेज जो है यहाँ से वापस भेजेगा।
ये हमेशा से सोमालीलैंड एक ऐसा मुल्क है जो पाकिस्तान में हमेशा से इंटरेस्ट रखता है और पाकिस्तान को अपना दूसरा मुल्क समझते हैं। अभी हालिया वाक़यात में जो इंडिया के साथ पेश आए, तो ये हमसे ज़्यादा जश्न मना रहे थे कि पाकिस्तान जीत गया, हम जीत गए, और ये सबसे पॉजिटिव बात थी। तो इस दफ़ा हर साल हमें बहुत जोश और जज्बे से ये इनवाइट करते हैं। इस दफ़ा इन लोगों ने पाकिस्तान से एक सहाफ़ी को इनवाइट किया हुआ है। वो मीडिया यहाँ पे बाकायदा वो मुख्तलिफ मिनिस्ट्रीज़ का दौर करवा रहे हैं, मुख्तलिफ जगहों का, और जो भी पाकिस्तानी कम्युनिटी इसको दरपेश मसाइल है वो उसको हल करने में लग रहे हैं और हाईलाइट कर रहे हैं।
Okay, one answer in English for Somali people, the one who don't know English, Urdu. So I would like to ask you, this is our all Pakistani community setup. Okay, so we make a well-organized Pakistani community setup in Somaliland, and we must have to tell all Somali people what is aims of this community, because our president, he told us we are like an ambassador here. What kind of the message we want to send from this community to our government?
From this community, we are saying the message from to the government of Pakistan. You mean?
Yes.
We giving the message to the government of Pakistan that Somaliland is new rising country.
Yes.
There is less competition, so it is suitable for our workers, for our investment. So it will be better to recognize the Somaliland. This will be better for two Muslim countries. One is Pakistan and one is Somaliland. And also it is better for our community challenges. When we have here a council from Pakistan side, then a lot of different difficulties will be finished already.
Yes.
And this is the Somaliland is a new rising country, just like Dubai.
So
it will be the future Dubai.
Yes.
Because they have a best port and they have a good location for the Africa.
Okay.
And it will be the key to all Africa from Asia.
Okay, so that was a message from our president, and vice president, he was saying the basic aims of our community is to demand the recognition from the government of Pakistan. This country actually, it's located on the Horn of Africa. It have own democracy, own currency, own military, own justice system. There is a well-maintained democracy. They take the vote from the people of the Somaliland, and I think so they maintain their justice, peace, prosperity, and as well a well-balanced economy in this country. So basic aims for this all community, the community is here. There is a Yemeni community, Indian community, Pakistani community. These aims of this country in this year is this, that they have to send their message to their country back for the recognition of the country. So that was a message from our president, vice president, and all of the president. Then when the country will get recognized, then there will be the embassies, and that embassies will facilitate the community. If there is a Yemeni embassy, that embassy will facilitate the Yemeni community. If there will be the Pakistani embassy, that will facilitate the Pakistani community. Then we will have a lot of solution of the problem, like the problem we get passport issue, birth of the newborn babies, a lot of other issue. So only solution is we have to bring the embassy here, and for embassy this country must have to recognize from Pakistan for all over the world. Thank you so much. अच्छा बताइएगा. So I want to ask you another question to our vice president of the community. Can you tell us what is the situation of the peace in this country and how they maintain the peace in the country?
If I tell to you that all over the world, and especially in the Muslim countries, Somaliland is the best peaceful country. Because we have seen in a lot of businessmen coming from different countries, they have millions of dollars, not only in lakhs. Some 1 million, some 2 million in their pockets, and they are going to the mountain and they buying sheep and goats, and they feel not even a single fare from any kind of body, because here the system are cooperative with the investors and the peaceful. If I say that 100% is full peaceful country in the world, and especially in the Muslim world. And the other thing, the judiciary system is very best as compared to the other Muslim country, because I personally seen here the judiciary are very free and honest, and they are very best as compared to other countries. And the peaceful situation is 100% we are satisfied from Somaliland peace.
एक मिनट. The next over question is, you and we are here from last 10 years, and as we see the economy of here and economy of our country. So how do you think we have to value our economy of Pakistan from here?
The best opportunity, as we say in Somaliland, here is the main industry is livestock, and here is no factories available, and here is no agriculture available. So the Pakistan is one agricultural country, and we can import from there rice and a lot of things, just like they say the drinks. A lot of drinks is from Pakistan, and a lot of small industry we can bring here. And this before I swear to you that this is a new Dubai for you, and best than Dubai.
The message from the Vice President is how we can grow the economy of Pakistan from the Somaliland. Whatever the people they are earning, they have to open their Roshan digital account. They have to send their money back to their country. They have to bring their livestock items and the multiple items from Pakistan, and they are trying to sell here. That is the only way we can grow the economy of the Pakistan from this country. And as well, the responsibility of the Pakistan is this, that they have to recognize this country. That will be the good for the long run future, for the mutual understanding of Pakistan and Somaliland. Thank you so much.